student. Hope you are all good, is not it?
Yes.
Today we have a topic on forest and its using and protecting. Now, there are some familiar questions I will ask to you that many of you have been going to your uncle house or any visiting place or any tour. On the way, you might be seeing some forest. Do you know about a little bit forest, how it would be?
Yes.
Yes. So, we know that many of the times we use many things from the forest, is not it?
Yes.
You can take some raw materials we get, food we get, different animals also they live. In this way we get many of the things from the forest. It means we use the resource of the forest, and it is our right also to protect the forest also. And if we don't protect forest, in next generation, coming generation, it will be problem for the society. So the introduction is that as we are getting many of the things from the forest, as we are using the forest, it is our right also to protect it, and we need to have we need to plant also forest and generate the more forest. That is the main things of the today's topic. Now, first of all, I will take you to the second point, that what is forest? In your mind, the question will be coming. What is forest? Though you have seen forest, you may be thinking that what could be the forest or what is forest? Forest is nothing, a large area which is covered with the many trees and many shrubs, bushes and grasses. Is not it? What is forest?
A large area is covered with many trees. Trees, shrubs, herbs, and grasses.
Yes. Second definition would be the forest. It is a community of the trees, shrubs, and herbs and grasses. Because in the forest we don't see, it is a group of trees are available where it is a home of the place. Next point I would like to tell you that what does forest mean to the people? Because those who have seen forest, they understand what is forest, is not it?
Yes.
But those who have not seen, their idea will be different according to the what is called idea they get on the forest. So the people may be thinking about the forest. Some of them are thinking that this is a place of afraid. Why they are afraid of forest? Because in the forest wild animals are available. When they go, they may get some problem after entering the forest, is not it? So therefore they think, they understand the forest may be, or the forest is, it is a place of afraid place. Second, we can see that some people are thinking it is a home of wild animals, is not it?
Yes.
Where do animals live?
Forest.
And therefore we can understand that it is a forest, it is a home of the animals, wild animals. And next thing is that we can understand it is a place of sacred for the god and goddesses. Do you know that god and goddesses also are living in the
Forest.
living in the
Forest.
So therefore we can understand it is a what is called sacred place of god and goddesses. And also we can understand that it is also a storehouse of what is called human being and animal being, where they get edibles, eating edibles, is not it? Do you get eating edibles in the forest?
Yes.
Can you tell me 2-3 points? What are the edible things you get from the forest?
Honey,
Many of the things you get from the forest. Many of the things. Even raw materials so we get, because of that industrial level and a factory level is being grown. We get so many raw materials and minerals from the forest. So according to people understand in different way what the forest is or what the forest about is. Okay. Next point I would like to take you to the second point, that location of forest. It means where do the forest grow? Where do the forest grow? It means where do you see forest growing? where do you see the forest is growing? There will be proper location. And we don't say that everywhere forest will be. Forest has a special place. When you go to the rural area, on the way to the rural area, you see many of the area covered with the forest. It's not it? Covered with the forest. Now, the location of forest may be where there is a proper rain. It's not it? Where there will be a proper soil. And where there will be a proper sunlight. Unless and until there is a proper sunlight, proper soil, and proper rain, there would not be any grasses, any trees, any of the things that is belong to the forest. It's not it. So therefore, to grow a forest, to grow the group of forest, or to grow the community of the trees, there need to have a proper rain,
Soil. Sunshine.
So next point would be there are many types of forest are there, but among these we know that there are only 4 types of forest are there. There are only how many types of forest are there?
4 types of forest.
Let me tell you what are they. Okay, the first is called evergreen forest. Second is called deciduous forest, and third is called thorny forest. Third is called
Thorny forest.
Now, the evergreen forest, where it is available, what are the places we can see? The places we can see that Kerala and Assam. There are different places also. But where do this evergreen forest grow? It is the place where most of the times they will get the rain. Plenty of rain. In which region they get? Especially we see that the equatorial region we get the more rain. More rain. Therefore, we can understand the evergreen forest also available. So, in the next class we can see the detail about the deciduous forest, thorny forest, and littoral and swamp forest. Thank you.